Hi, third graders. Welcome back to Volusia Online Learning and Computer Science with Mr. Tyndall. Today, we're talking about lesson 2.06, your Module 2 assessment. It's a little bit tricky, so I wanted to walk you through some things that might help you. First thing you do is you read through the directions. It says it's time to show what you have learned in this module by completing the 2.06 Solve It Module 2 assessment. Instead of a test, you will be completing a project. Sounds good, but it's kind of tricky. Please review the directions for the project carefully. Remember to complete your work without help from others. It is important that you show what you have learned. You can do it. So when you get there, you will go on to the next screen and you will click here to load your assignment. And here the assignment is in a PDF and here are the directions. Choose an adaptive technology that you have learned about, or you can create your own. You can do Braille keyboard, hearing aids, text-to-speech, closed captioning, or create your own adaptive technology. Write the name of your adaptive technology on the next page. Write who uses your adaptive technology on the next page. Now here's the tricky part. In block-based code, write the steps that the technology uses to complete its intended task. Use the blocks on the next page to write your code. If you need more, or if you need a bigger loop block, you can draw your own. Here's the tricky part. Write the steps that the technology uses. So it's not that the user's doing, but that the technology does. And that's kind of a hard concept for 8-year-olds, but I'm going to show you my example, and I think that will help you. So here you put your name and date, the name of your technology, and who uses it. Now this is in PDF. If you save this to your computer and then open it in Microsoft Word, then it's easier to manipulate and move these blocks around. If you want to print it out as it is here and write in your answers and use a directional arrow to show me where you would move these command blocks, that's fine too. Let me show you what I did as an example. So I chose one that wasn't on the list, and that would be a screen magnifier, a computer magnifying app. Who uses the adaptive technology? People with vision problems. If they don't see well, it's very valuable for them to use this app. So my if-then statement went like this. If the cursor is moved around the screen, the magnifier makes pictures and words larger. And this is where I was able to click on these boxes and slide them over and put them in the repeat loop. And also if you do it in Word, then you can go up to the top and you can put insert, and then you can select a text box in order to write these in here. So I said that the repeat loops would be the magnifier is enabled, it's turned on, it reads what is under the cursor, and it enlarges whatever is underneath it. Now that's what the magnifier does. The user is the person that moves it around on the screen. If you have any questions, please text me or email me. I can go in Zoom and clarify any questions, or I can answer you via text or email. As always, it's been a pleasure working with you, and if you need anything, please don't hesitate. Thank you.